anytime I have addition or subtraction with three integers, I'm going to do two numbers at a time. So I'm just going to take these first two numbers and figure out what they are. -4 and a -2. Here are the rules that I use. If the signs are the same, find the sum. So that means you add them. So if the signs are the same, you're going to add them. If the signs are different, find the difference. That means you subtract. And always keep the sign of the larger number. So these two numbers, one's negative and the other's negative, those are the same sign. So I'm going to add the numbers. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now my 4 is larger, it's negative, that means my answer will be negative, so -6. So that's what this first box is, -6. And then we have +9. So now you do it all over again. This is a negative, this is a positive. So the signs are different, so I'm going to find the difference. I'm going to subtract. So you always do the largest number first. So 9 take away 6 is 3. And the 9 is positive, the biggest number. You look at the biggest number. The 9 is positive, so that means your 3 will be positive. So the final answer is 3. So again, I'm going to take two numbers one at a time. Two at a time. If the number doesn't have a number sign in front, it's a positive. So that's a +1 and a -8. The signs are different. So if they're different, you find the difference. You subtract. So the largest number first, 8 take away 1 is 7. Now you look at which one of those is the biggest number. 8 is larger. It's got a negative in front of it. That means your 7 is going to be negative. So that's -7, and then you do the rest of the problem, add 3. So now you look at the signs again. We have a negative and a positive. If the signs are different, find the difference. So you've got to do 7 take away 3. You always do the larger number first. That's 4. The 7 is larger. It's negative. That means your answer will be negative. The next one, again, if you have more than two integers, you take the numbers two at a time. So we have a -4 and a +8. We have a negative and a positive. If the signs are different, you find the difference. So I'm going to subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. The 8's larger, it's positive. That means my 4 will be positive. And then you have the rest of the problem, a -5. So we have a +4 and a -5. The signs are different, so I'm going to find the difference. I'm going to subtract. Larger number first. 5 take away 4 is 1. The 5 is larger, it's negative. That means your answer will be negative.